Hey guys, welcome back, and today actually we're back with another video today. I know we recorded this morning and sorry I couldn't get part 2 in. So today we're actually doing a Nerf battle called Nerf War for the Wii U, and so what's gonna happen is they're gonna fight over the Wii U. As usual, sit back, relax, eat some popcorn, maybe even watch some commercials while we're pausing.
Woo!
But black shirt and light blue shirt are going to be battling, which is Haku and Mahina, which are my brothers. So we're going to start. Which are my brother and sister. And they just yelled at me, brothers and sisters. And so, yeah. So I'll see you when we get ready. And just, that will be just like a second for you. Yeah. Haha.
Play the iPad. Did I hit you? Yes, you hit me in the leg. Hurt you on purpose? Yeah. Oh, man. How will I do that?
Get close.
Hit you with the bow. This is going to keep going, okay?
So you
Just
have
pretend
to,
that affected you. You told me I could play it.
you can get it.
And then you get your gun and load it.
What will happen next time in the Nerf Battle series? We might never know.